Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO A3 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Open calendar application. In it, tap on day when we want to add our event. Maybe 90 and there. This plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can set add this event to your group on Gmail calendar members. In this part you can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of that if we need it. Notification, maybe we can add more than one. We can change color about this change color about notification to this event, which we get. Description attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save and you have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.